Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us how you can adapt a basic sleeve into a puff sleeve. Into a puff sleeve. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. Now, to make a puff sleeve, you need to know how to draft a basic sleeve, and I will be dropping the link to the tutorial in the description box. I've done a tutorial on that before now. So this is my basic sleeve, and I have drawn what I call slash lines towards the armhole opening. So I have about 3 slash lines. This is the center of the sleeve, and I've drawn 3 slash lines on both sides. You can have more slash lines if you want to. Okay, so now with my scissors, I'm gonna cut through to the tip of the sleeve like I'm doing. Okay, make sure you don't cut the paper through, just cut it to the tip. So here I've slashed all the lines like so. So you're gonna get another pattern paper and place it under like I've done now, and draw a guideline. So this line is going to be like the center of the sleeve. Then you're going to place the sleeve on this line. Okay, you you'd have notched the center of the sleeve before you start slashing, or you could use the middle slash line as a guide. Anyway, you place it on the line like so. Then you use masking tape to tape it down like this. Okay, then you spread out. So the more you spread, the more the fullness. Okay, so you could even spread, to the point where the almonds are almost meeting each other, but this is fine. So after spreading, you want to pin down with your masking tape like this, and use your marker to like highlight the hemline of the sleeve like so, and then you cut it out and transfer to your fabric. Okay, so I'm using satin for this illustration. This is the hemline, okay, and I've added all my seam allowances, and I've also cut out a cuff for my sleeve. Now the cuff is on fold, you can see that. Then the width can be from 2 inches to about 2.5 or 3 inches, plus the seam allowance. Then the length of the cuff, I will talk about that later. So for this part, I'm going to gather it back to my bicep circumference measurements. Okay, so I've done that. I have gathered it. So this is how it's going to look like after gathering. But definitely you cannot leave the hemline like that. So we'll be adding the cuff, which is the bicep circumference, like I said. Okay, so this is the sleeve already made and can be attached to your dress like this. So this is a sample of what we're trying to do, and this is the one I made. You can see how lovely it looks like. So please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment and reaction, share with your friends, and of course, hit the notification bell. Thank you.